Have you been searching for the perfect pickup truck with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Toyota Tundra SR5 in magnetic gray. With a TRD Sport Package, hood scoop, 20-inch aluminum wheels, Bilstein shock absorbers, power driver seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 29,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, spray-on bed liner, 5.7-liter V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7095.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.